Yo, what's happening, guys? My name is Kushal and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to go from France to Belgium, Brussels. It's going to be very much fun. And since a long time I haven't uploaded because the vacation wasn't going on, now and we will go to Belgium, Brussels, Bruges. So guys, now we are going to have a take a break, and I'm eating vada pav here as reminding of India. So we are going to eat vada pav with chili, and yeah, while going Mumbai to Lonavala, we used to eat vada pav. So from now going France to Belgium, we are going to eat vada pav. Hello. We have finally arrived to Brussels, and it was a long 8 hours journey from France to Brussels. And now we are very tired, and now this is our Airbnb. Let's do a quick tour. So when we enter, this is our living room. Because it's already 5 p.m, so we'll get fresh up quickly and we'll go to the city center. So now we have parked our car there, and now we'll go by public transport, and behind me is our Airbnb, and yeah, the tram is coming now. Can you hear the sound? It's 6 p.m. Voice you just heard was of this beautiful clock, and this clock has 24 bells, and also it has 12 figures which represent the history of Brussels. And yeah, it's very good, and it is called Le Carillon du Ardemont, and it's very big and it's fabulous. Can you see it? It has 12 figures and it has 24 bells. Because the vacations are going on here in Europe, so that's why many people are enjoying visiting different countries. So yeah, like you can see, I'm very happy because there are many people. Behind me is the very big fashion street, and in this fashion street there are very big brands, very luxury brands in that fashion street. And yeah, it's named Gallery Royals, so you can see it's like very royal. Okay guys, so this is the longest and the biggest street in the Brussels, and this street consists of all the luxury brands you'll ever find. And yeah, it's very humongous, and yeah, it's also open 24/7. So let's step in and explore this street. And also, can you see the question mark? Square.
So guys, this is the king's house, also known as the Maison du Roi, and this is the Grand Palace. It's so huge and very beautiful. And this is the Guild House and the City Hall. So it is also considered one of the most beautiful squares in the world and has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1998.
So guys, one of the most famous monuments in Brussels is the Grand Palace, which is famous for its decorative and aesthetic well. Why I'm saying well?
Because it consists of numerous statues which are finely made, and till this date it is still considered one of the best examples of Gothic architecture. And as you can see, it is gold plated. Most of the things are gold plated, as you can see, and it's really big and really humongous, and it's really beautiful. And this is the Grand Palace. So I have a question for you guys. You guys guess one thing: the tower of this palace is in the middle or no? Comment down below. In 3, 2, 1. So the answer is no, because as you can see, the tower of the palace is not exactly in the middle. The right side is a bit smaller, and the left side is a bit larger. And according to the legend, the architect of the building, upon discovering this error, leapt to his death from the tower, from the top of the tower. He was in guilt that he built such a big tower, but he made a major mistake which affected the tower. I'll show you the beautiful night golden view at the end of the video. Guys, see what I found on the streets of Belgium. There is the famous Belgian comic book Adventures of Tintin. So there is Tintin, his dog Milou, and Captain climbing down the stairs. It's really beautiful. Guys, look at the varieties of waffle. Well, let's go, we'll try one.
So we have one slush and one waffle. Look at this, these look so cool. We are going to eat this now, so yeah, let's begin to eat. There are no chocolate on my face because I just ate the waffle. The waffles are so healthy. The more yummy they get, the more calories it has. So behind me is the famous sign, the symbol of Belgium, Brussels. So it's just a normal boy P. This is the mannequin P, which is behind me, known as the statue, is like the most attraction place in Brussels, and this boy is known to save Brussels from a disaster. That's why they made a statue of him here, and in different festivals they wear him different clothes related to that festival. So yes, and it's also a bit weird because the boy being in the middle of a street is a bit weird. But yeah.
So guys, you can see colorful bikes on the building of Porchinel Kedel Bar in Brussels. A building of Porchinel Kedel, a famous bar in central Brussels with puppet figures and framed pictures on the walls. And you can see the bikes, they are of various colors on the building. They are just hanging on the building like they're bikes of Spider-Man. So guys, this is Atomium. It is a landmark and symbol of Brussels, Belgium, representing an iron unit cell. Due to its unique structure, it looks futuristic, isn't it? And due to shortage amount of time, we are not going to visit it from inside, but from next time we'll definitely try to visit it.
you guys liked the city of Brussels. We also liked it too. It's full of many monuments and a very historical city. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to
Like, share, and subscribe.
you heard him, and see you on the next destination, Bruges. Bye.